It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Trax. Safe and fuel efficient, this Trax is a versatile city-smart urban cruiser. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, smartphone wireless charging, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains its light-effort rack-mounted electric power steering, however, provides ample feedback, and this little crossover SUV remains composed even on bumpy roads. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.